Find the volume of a cone of radius 6 centimeter and vertical height 7 centimeter. Take pi equals to 22/7. Okay, from the question we are given that the radius of the cone is 6 centimeter. The radius is equals to 6 centimeter and the height is equals to 7 centimeter. We are asked to find the volume. Okay, the formula for the volume of a cone is equals to 1/3 pi r square h. Are you getting it? This is the formula that you can use to find the volume of a cone. And since you have been given the height as 7 centimeter and the radius as 6 centimeter, all you need now is that, and pi has been given as 22/7. So for this, you're going to have the volume equals to 1/3 times 22/7 times 6 squared. 6 squared is what? 36. So I'm going to have times 36 multiplied by 7. Do you understand? Okay, for this, I'm going to have this 7 will cancel this 7. 3 here 1. 3 here, that is 12. You understand? So the answer is the product of 12 and 7. I mean 12 and 22. 12 times 22. 12 times 22 is 246. So the volume is equals to 246.0 centimeter cube. Okay, so the correct option to that question is option D. Option D is correct. Do you understand? Okay, let's proceed to the next question. Calculate the surface area of a sphere with radius 3.5 centimeter. Surface area of a sphere. Now, area of a sphere. Okay, let's start with the radius. The radius is what? 3.5 centimeter, and the pi has been given as 22/7. Okay, now listen to me carefully. Anytime you are not given pi in mathematics question, make use of 22/7. You understand? Don't use the approximated value. Do you understand what I'm saying? Don't use the approximated value. Let's say for example, this question, you are not given the value of pi. Make use of 22/7. Are you getting it? But if you are given as 3.5, wait, I think there is a mistake in this question. 22 times 12 should be 264, not 246. It's 264, sorry. 264. So the correct option to this is option E. Do you understand? The correct option is option E. I made a mistake while taking the product of this and this. Okay, now then let's proceed with the one that we are solving. So what I'm trying to say is that anytime you are given a question and the question requires you to use pi and you're not given pi as any value in the question, make use of 22/7. Don't use approximated value 3.142. Okay, now let's proceed. For this, the surface area of a sphere is equals to 4 pi r squared. Do you understand? 4 pi r squared. This is the areas of a sphere. So if you want to get the area, that will be 4 times 22/7 times 3.5 squared. Do you understand? Okay, now take the product of the numerator. You're going to have 1078 all over 7. And if you divide this, you're going to have, I'm coming. That is 154, you understand? 154 centimeter squared, okay? Because the radius is in centimeter, so the area will be in centimeter squared. Do you understand?